At Gulf Coast Smiles, we are committed to excellence. We are compassionate, we're ethical. We strive to stay at the forefront of dentistry to provide better results, better appointments, and a good standard of care.
From the moment I walked in until the moment I left, they exceeded my best expectations. I love coming here. I see the girls, we talk, we joke. It's fun.
You know, we're almost like family here. I'm not part of the staff, but I feel as if I am, because that's how they treat me.
Everybody was helpful, kind of humor everybody, and so I felt like home.
You feel a sense of well-being the minute he starts to treat you.
Trust is absolutely very important. We take the time to educate them, go over their options, and ultimately choosing what's best for them and not what's best for me.
He does kind of like, you know, the whole 9 yards as far as dentistry here. And you don't have to go some other place to get it done. He's got it all together.
I made a commitment to invest in the technology available, in the newest and best technology available for the sole purpose of making the procedures easier and better for the patient, to gaining better outcomes.
One of the things I was very impressed is the technology here. The doctors, I guess you might say, very up to date. For example, after removing the tooth, there were some things as far as tissue that had to be maybe cauterized or whatever. And he has a laser that he's able to do all that. So the equipment here he has is just phenomenal, which allows him to do the work that he does.
Since I have my implants, after the healing process was very easy, I can smile again, I can bite again. It's a new life.
Someone recommended Dr. Martinez, and it was the best recommendation I ever got. And he was able to solve my problems.
Eating's become a whole lot easier, and talking has become easier. No matter what I had to do, the end result came out exactly the way I wanted it to. A confident smile lets your personality shine through, lets the fun in your life shine through.
It means everything to me to have this great smile that I dreamed of for a lifetime. The emotional benefits, the pleasures I felt, my friends telling me I look 10 years younger, it was worth every penny.